Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this affordable 2 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the flat is spread across 1100 square feet of super built up area and has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a balcony. It's a brand new flat which got completed couple of months ago. The property is available for sale directly from the owner and has freehold ownership. It's a north facing flat which is unfurnished and has basic facilities like car parking, lifts and gated security. So folks, this 2 BHK flat is located at Horamavu in north part of Bengaluru and comes with an affordable price tag of just 45 lakhs. That's it from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.